rich. You're not at all rich.
You can't measure money.
Everyone asks you to be a slave, and we are so dumb. We listen to our teachers.
People had money since the past.
People are living luxury. No one actually cares about buses. Don't spoil our thing. Do your business and please go back. Where did I mess up? Yeah, even I see the purpose.
You told about travel, like you
Yeah,
like to
yeah.
travel, right?
Yeah.
You tell something about
See,
how
for
you
me,
like
it
to
has
travel.
been from childhood till now, it has been a hard life for me.
Okay.
As an elder daughter, coming from a small family and all that, coming to this level has been really difficult. But then at the end, what I think of is what I earn is for myself, my family.
Correct.
But I need time for myself as well, right?
Exactly.
If I have to come in front of the audience smiling, having that smile on my face and everything, I have to be peaceful first.
Right.
So I choose travel over anything. Okay. So travel makes me it makes me feel rich.
Okay.
Okay, that is one thing. It makes me feel
And
rich.
one thing
okay?
about, see, I just over here I'll tell you one thing. For example, now I'm traveling from somewhere. For example, you don't know anything about me before,
Correct.
or like I don't know anything about you before.
Correct.
Like also in travel, it becomes so you can tell anyone you are anyone. I mean,
Yeah.
for people you are anyone.
Exactly. So here, for me, it is really difficult to be. I don't say it's like that difficult, but then people recognize everywhere. You
Exactly.
can't be yourself. You have to, act nice, be nice, even though you want to chill and be like a child who is within you. But then
Yes.
you're like, no, I can't be that. You can't go and
And
yell
a person
somewhere.
should have that inner child,
Exactly.
which he can come
You
out.
shouldn't let your inner child die, right? So
Are
when
you
you
married?
no,
I'm married. I have two kids. I have two kids. Still, I always
that is amazing.
manage to travel.
That is amazing. If a person can, think of travel
Hmm.
and actually go for travel,
Correct.
okay, he's the richest person, I feel.
Exactly.
Because if you're married or single or whatever your
Now, it
status
shouldn't
is,
matter. I mean, you should balance that life
Exactly.
also, and you should
so
give
only
time to
then you
yourself
are
also.
actually rich. If
Exactly.
your business or a job that you have is making you a lot of money, but you're not able to live the life you wanted, you're not rich.
Exactly.
You're not at all rich.
Exactly.
Even if you have crores with you, if you're not able to get a good sleep at night, how rich are you?
I believe the same. I mean, money is
Exactly.
money is really not a measurement of anything. You can't measure money. You can
We
measure
need
like
it.
how you are living that particular life.
Exactly.
If I have money and if I'm worried, here in 8 p.m. I have to be somewhere. Someone is overpowering me. Then what
I'm
is the
talking
use
this,
of that money?
why am I talking this? Because I've been into corporate. I'm a
Okay.
BCA student, so I've been into corporate for 3 months. Okay,
Okay.
it might be shocking, like, oh, she just worked 3 months. But the 3 months I was there, it was hell. It was worst thing I experienced in my life. One was Nepal. So
Ah.
this year, 2025, 26 has been, Thamal, Golmal, whatever you want to name it. It was that in my life. It was not a turning point. It was nothing. I was not able to decide between my masters, Nepal, corporate life, and coming back to business. So what I feel is business is something that everyone should think about. From our lower KG to till here, no one speaks about you become a businessman. Everyone is like become doctor, become nurse, become teacher. You be an engineer. Everyone asks you to be a slave,
Exactly.
and we are so dumb that we listen to our teachers and prepared for all that.
Just
We
2 days
prepared
before I was
just
thinking
to
of
become a slave.
Exactly. Just 2 days before I was thinking of this particular thing, there should be a proper cycle to this. For example, everyone should work. It is not that, because until unless you don't work, you don't get that particular experience or you don't get sharpened in that particular thing. So, for example, like you are working, but have a definite plan that I need to work for example, 4 to 5 years. And I think doing job is also like doing a business right now. How you are outperforming yourself and how you are getting, particularly setting up in that particular company in such a position that because of you, that company is moving. Like your dependency is there on that company, then it makes sense. But if in case you have that courage and if you have that mindset to do a business, you should get off at some point. And then for that company also, someone else will take your position and you are going to another position. So this cycle of life, should be there. Is what I believe.
everything is right, but then the business gives you, you know, the
Liberty.
independence. Yeah.
Exactly.
So you go anywhere. Now, right now, if I'm talking about myself, when I get a hosting, suppose I'm actually busy on that day, I can just say no. There's no one to question me,
Correct.
right? I usually don't because it's my career. I love my job and everything. But then I have the liberty to say no. If it was some other thing, they would, you know, pressurize me. How the hell can you say no?
Exactly.
You are under us, we pay you. Yeah, it's not that. And one more thing that I do is tutoring. I'm a professional tutor. I tutor 10th grade and 12th grade. Okay. So for their boards and stuff. Yeah. So there also what happens is it is private tutoring. I don't have, you know, a bunch of students sitting and listening to my lecture. I just have one student at a time. I teach her or him for 1 hour or something. I get paid for an hour on hour basis. I get home. I go to their house, I teach them, I get home.
You are content. You are at content, whatever you are earning.
Yeah. So I'm earning pretty well like a corporate scale. More than that. With independence to go wherever and whenever I want. Right now my mom is sick, I can go home. Today, just for instance, today I was asked to be here at 12 o'clock. Okay? And then Rohit called me, you have to be here at 11 o'clock. And I plan my day accordingly, according to, you know, who needs me at what time. I plan my day accordingly. I was sick yesterday, so I could not prepare much. I woke up in the morning, I did my work, and then 9 o'clock I left home. Okay, after preparing everything, I left home. I reached tuition place at 10, and 11 o'clock my tuition was supposed to end. And this guy is calling me, you have to be here at 11. I just dressed up there, and then within half an hour, it was 1.5 hour tuition. I cancelled half an hour and I reached here within 20 minutes. Okay. So you see the liberty I have at my tuition. The parents trust me, the students trust me.
You can adjust your
Exactly. That is what I like about business.
So Mangalore, you feel more people are towards business and more people are towards
It's
job?
like equal.
Equal.
There are some who take over their family
Do you
business.
think people are rich in Mangalore? You have rich people?
Definitely. Mangalore is like, over time there are like very new supercars or whatever. I don't know much about the cars and all. Bikes and all that. Earlier it was not there. It was not even developed. No one, would think of.
Maybe people had money since the past, but maybe because of the exposure, online exposure, people have got to know about
right
things
now,
and they are
the
buying
social
things.
media is there where you can show off, right?
Exactly. Yes.
Right now, social media is a thing. If you have social media, you have power to advertise, to show off yourself.
Okay.
So, just for social media, also there are people who do that.
Okay.
And right now, you see, every second person has an iPhone.
Huh.
So, Mangalore is not a place, where it is like a village or something. It has gone to some different level. Even if it is EMI or full paid, people are living luxury.
So if you consider 20 years back Mangalore and today, you see a lot of difference.
A lot of difference. Especially after COVID, the number of vehicles that have increased in Mangalore is vast.
Achha.
Vast difference, because people, including me, we were dependent on buses. But then now if you see, no one actually cares about buses. Earlier the bus owners were like really rich and everything, because people used to solely depend on bus. Unless it is very important and someone has a schedule like they have to go up and down again and again, they wouldn't take their own vehicles. But right now it is like own vehicles only. Buses like an auction. Just in case my vehicle gives up, then maybe I can think of bus. Still no one does. They take an auto rickshaw or a cab.
Awesome. No wonder our communication while we were discussing places went so far away. But it was great, insightful discussion which we had on Mangalore. I think nowhere else apart if we would have not initiated this conversation.
That is
would have got to know so much about Mangalore, and I think the people seeing the video also will.
They will also definitely think, oh, Mangalore as a place actually we can think of it.
Because I think tourism, Mangalore is not that popular.
Mangalore is not
people
popular.
do come, but maybe someone in Bombay, if I ask him what is your next tourist destination, he will not say Mangalore.
Right.
But I think seeing the place, people should definitely come. Because now when I see the beach myself, then I will understand. And then definitely.
We don't want too many tourists also.
Exactly, I think that's also a good thing.
Yeah, because tourists
so if you are
just
saying
spoil
that, please don't come to
Mangalore.
Mangalore.
Don't come to Mangalore. Just look at us on social media or news or somewhere else. Just don't come. Don't spoil our thing. If you're coming, just come do your business and please go
And
back.
please
Yeah.
go. Exactly.
Even if you want to stay, right, Mangalore is a good place to invest in also.
Achha.
Yeah. Over the years, the rent of
What's
the
the property
place.
rate approximately? Like if you look at buying a 1 BHK in Bangalore, what is the cost?
It comes up to 1 crore or more.
1 BHK?
Yeah.
Seriously?
1 BHK, like depends on the luxury you want. It starts from the
How much square feet
35
would it be?
lakh. 35 lakh. It starts
35
35,
lakhs.
25 lakhs. Also, there are
And
places.
if you want to make
That
your
is-
own villa, like a small villa,
You mean independent house types,
independent
right?
house types.
So, including land, if you're just considering the land, 1 cent here actually costs like 15 lakhs in major city center.
1 cent.
Yeah, cents.
Okay. Like in our language, we say 1 dunta.
Maybe that is, you take it other way. Like,
Correct. Then maybe more cents coming together will make a acre, right?
yeah.
Ah, correct. Okay.
So, that is what. Taking land here only has become a major issue because the land cost more. The valuation has risen like anything because a lot of IT companies are coming in, a lot of malls are coming in, and a
IT
lot of
companies are also coming.
yeah, like we have Infosys on it. It's not like Mangalore doesn't have anything. Now
Okay.
Deloitte is going to come to Mangalore.
So maybe I think I have still not seen the proper city yet. Maybe that's why. Because from airport I directly came to the college.
Here, one more thing is like the roads. Now they are developing.
Okay.
So that was maybe one of the reasons like some of the companies or stuff didn't come to Mangalore. And now if you think of any brands earlier, Starbucks was not in Mangalore.
Hmm.
Now like over 2 years, that is everything. There's almost every brand here.
Achha.
Earlier it wasn't like this. When you consider like when I was small and all, no. Like 20 years back, if you think there was Mangalore wasn't like this. It was not
So
like
everyone
this.
who's seeing this video, she has clearly said if you want to come do your business and go,
Yeah.
don't spoil this beautiful city, which it is. And actually I haven't seen most of it. I've just seen 5% in my entire trip. When I see it entirely, I will, but it will resonate.
You can make one more video of how you felt about Mangalore.
Yeah, definitely.
So you can actually consider Mangalore for your trip.
Exactly. I think I have good enough time. Tomorrow we just have a half an hour or 1 hour work. And then morning also we have time. Today also we have time. Until afternoon also
Yeah,
we have
go
time.
to Panambur and Tandoor, drink.
So I think thank you so much.
Yeah.
That we had
Thank
such a big discussion on all of this and such an
Yes.
insightful discussion. You feel
Yes.
anything we have left?
Other than this,
I think this much is enough.
you have to cover it. That's the thing.
Maximum places you have told me.
Yeah.
Done.
And other than that, just the hotel, right? I'll just suggest. Maybe Ocean Pearl is one of the famous one.
Ocean.
Ocean Pearl.
Ocean Pearl. You tell me about the homestay if you know anything.
Homestay will be, comparatively costly.
Because we
I
are
don't
just
think,
two people.
I don't
So
think
any
it's
hotel
worth
would
it.
be fine. Any hotel you suggest
Ocean Pearl is one nice one. And
for stay?
Huh.
Okay.
Ocean Pearl. Other than that, you have what is that called?
Which is the best area? Just tell me that. Which is the central area to stay? You will find a hotel somewhere. in
Oh,
that
okay.
central area.
You can find this in this area only.
The same area.
Bendur, Hampankatta.
What is this called?
Bendur, Hampankatta. Then Balmata you can ride if you see.
Balmata.
It's also like nearby place here only, Balmata.
Okay. Done. I'll try.
These
So
places.
for you guys, she's a professional host and MC in Bangalore. So whoever is watching this video, if in case you feel like you need to get in touch with a professional host, I'll drop her Instagram link. You have an Instagram handle,
Yes,
right?
yes.
So anytime in Bangalore, like us, if we were not able to find a host, but now if we have an event, we definitely have a host and a definitely good dear friend also in Bangalore. Okay,
Definitely.
so please get in touch with her if you have any kind of events or anything of that sort of. So we'll stop
Also
this video.
tour guide, I guess I can
Tour
give
guide,
her
tour guide as
itinerary.
well. But I don't want you guys to DM her and bug her because then she'll be like,
Where did I mess up?
exactly. And because she has the liberty of time.
Yeah.
So if in case someone who you feel genuine, you might
Yeah, I
be
can
able to
help. I can definitely help.
help as well.
Yeah, as I told, Mangaloreans do help. So yeah, I can prove it right.
So I think it's time to head out. We will head out first.
Yes.
Because this is गाड़ी ढूंढना गाड़ी ढूंढते हैं और फिर निकलते हैं देखते हैं क्या देखना है.